ఓకే వచ్చింది.
ఇక్కడ మైక్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలా, మ్యూట్ చేయాలా? బా బా ఓకే, మైక్ మీద మ్యూట్ చేయాలా? అన్న వినిపిస్తుందా నా వాయిస్?
వినిపిస్తుందమ్మా.
ఓకే ఓకే
డన్, నేను చూసుకుంటాలే. So let them join, like ఇంకొక 5 minutes ఇద్దాము. So once people join, then yeah.
సార్ చూపించేది
అన్న చందు అన్న ఉన్నాడు, ఇంకా అన్మ్యూట్ చేయలేదు.
సార్ క్లిక్ దాని మీద నాకు మైక్ మీద మైక్ చూపెట్టు, మైక్ చూపెట్టు.
లేనా తీసేసా,
నువ్వు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి పెట్టేసుకోక.
Okay, let's wait for some time, and if people are joining, then we will start. 5 minutes. Let's give the time for 5 minutes, and people start joining. China, Sino. హలో
అన్న చెప్పండి అన్న.
చిన్న ఎవరైనా జాయిన్ అయితేనా జాయిన్ అవని, ఒక 5 minutes ఇద్దాము. సో
ఒక 5 minutes ఉన్నాం, వస్తారు
వాళ్ళు కూడా వస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే ఓకే, దట్స్ ఫైన్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా పీపుల్ చెప్పు, అక్కడ ఎవరైనా మన టీం ఉంటే, సో దే కెన్ లెట్ దెమ్ రైట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ చాట్ బాక్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఓకే, సో ట్రాన్స్లేట్ అండ్
ఓకే చెప్పనా
Okay, shall we start then? So let's wait for some time, and if some folks are joining from abroad as well, let them join. So otherwise, we will start off with the VLOOKUP. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It was mute actually. Can you hear me now? Hello? Am I audible? Okay, thank you. Okay, so here, once you come here, so friends here, understand this. Okay, it's like Control V. Okay, let's see. Here, if you want to, fetch these details from out of which data, let's say the master data, whatever we have here. So we are trying to fetch the details like 32 and 35 and 36. Okay. So only we have a specific requirement for these values. Let's say these values you want the details. Okay. So how would you fetch those details? It will fetch only one record. Okay. So if you give multiple entries here and it will fetch multiple values, otherwise it will give just like this. So let's understand how we take this data. Suppose like if you give VLOOKUP, okay, VLOOKUP close. So the value is 3, okay, comma. So what we are searching is the lookup value. The beautiful thing of Excel is it will give you the suggestions. So what you want to search is the lookup value. A2 you want to search the order ID. Where you want to search, this is the table ID. Where you want to search, that is on this master data. Okay, this is the entire master data. So just select this entire table. Control Shift down arrow. Okay, you want to search here. Okay, if you click here and function F4, then it will lock. Okay, the table you want to search. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see. This is what happened. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, let's say this is the master data. You want to understand this. Control Shift right arrow. This is the table one you want to see. Okay, then so okay, it's getting stuck. Let's wait for some time, friends. Like here, we look up at table one. What is this? Okay, let's keep here. So let's understand now. So I will show you one simple ID, okay, rather than make you confused and everything. Let's create one small table. Okay, the first table is like maybe the employee ID, so that you will understand it better. The employee name in an organization. So then let's say his what we will say that is what is an let's say what is his role. Okay, employee ID is 1, 2, 3 and 3 to 4. Okay, something and given and 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see. And employee name is ABC. And let's say something with GHI. So the role he may be the Scrum Master. Okay, and he could be an accountant. Okay. Okay, let's see who is this developer. So let's say a simple reason is software engineer. We all are. Okay, so friends, if you create the simple table like this, that's how the VLOOKUP will work. Okay, so what is this?
small thing is working. Yeah. So let's see. So if you have this kind of data, and you know that, okay, this is the left element and everything. This is a great idea. And once you have this data, so VLOOKUP will what it will do. VLOOKUP is something vertically, it will look up the things. Vertically in the sense, so it will go vertically. Vertically means this way. I will just insert a diagram for you. So I don't know, it's got stuck and somewhere. I have to understand this first. Yes. Somewhere the mouse button is not working. Is it fine? Where is my mouse? Somewhere in mouse settings are being changed or what? Let me check. Mouse settings. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, friends. Let's see how it is not working. Let's say go with the flow. So first thing. So if you want to VLOOKUP the value, let's say the VLOOKUP. Okay, how it is working. Let's see. VLOOKUP. Okay. So it has some, some prerequisites when you are using this VLOOKUP. The first thing is like VLOOKUP, how it works, and it will work from left to right. Okay. So you mean to say whatever you want to compare, the first leftmost column should be equal to the table. So let's see, assume that's like 1, 2, 3. You want to fetch the data. So how would you do? First we will write VLOOKUP, okay, the function, and first what is the lookup value, and this is the value you want. Okay, where you want to fetch this entire table. Here friends, understand this. Okay, I'm just locking the rows by pressing F4. Okay, if you locking this, and what will happen is like the employee ID should be the leftmost column of the table in our scenario. A1 to C4 is the entire table range we have taken, table array. Here if you understand, 1, 2, 3 is the lookup value. It should be the leftmost column of in the table, otherwise it won't work. Okay, you should be very careful on that part. And the column index, like suppose the employee ID is 1, 2, 3. Just I want to fetch the employee name, then I will press. This is 1. A column is now 1. Employee ID is 1. And I want the employee name. So the column index is 2. Then it's like approximate match in the sense, like suppose Scrum if you give it. So if it is approximate match in the sense, like if you give 1, 2 also, it will fetch the value. But if you give the exact match, then it will fetch, and if exactly matches, then only it will fetch. Okay, friends? Any doubts? So it is taking that. See, let's say I'm changing the value. Okay, 3, 2, 4 here. So DEFK. Let's make it more better version so that you will understand. No format and nothing is working. Okay, let's see. So if you give 567, then GHI is correct. Have you noticed it? I'm keep on changing this value 1, 2, 3. Then it's coming something control P, let's say. Then 3 to 4, if you give 3 to 4, then it's coming like DE. Why? The reason is I have given the column 2. Let's say if I am giving column 3 instead of 2, got somewhere it's got stuck actually. Okay, if you give 3 instead of 2, my mouse got stuck. Let's see. Okay, let me write here. So okay, so here I will be writing as like something like role. Let's say the role. I want the role here. Okay. So how I will be fetching here the role. Let's say here the role. How would I be fetching? Here we look up. Friends, whoever just didn't understand, just pick it up. Okay, I'm trying again. So we look up and we want to look up this value. Table array should be this. Okay. Otherwise, we will do one thing. Now we will create the magic. Okay. Let's see. Why to unnecessarily? Why not we explore something new? So let's see. We look up. Okay. This is the beauty now. Okay. I am taking this value. Okay. If where I want to check, now see the result, friends. This is the table range I am taking. Why? My lookup value is the DEF. This is the name of an employee. That should be my leftmost column in the table. Then only the VLOOKUP will work. Okay. If you have any questions, okay, feel free to keep it in a chat window. So then F4, I am locking it. Okay. The dollar symbol is locking so that it won't go beyond or above that range. Okay. The column index now I want is like the employee name is now the column index revised number is 1. Role will become 2. Okay. So I want the role. So I will press 2. Then I want an exact match. So false. Some people will make it 0 as well. That is also absolutely fine. See friends. If I give here, so if you understand it well, if you can see 324 only I have given. Okay. So what his name? DEF. Okay. DEF is based on the name. His role is coming out here. So let's change this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What should come? In employee name, it should come as ABC. And in role, it should come as Scrum Master. Let's check. Is it coming? Friends, do you understand VLOOKUP? Friends, yes, no, I don't understand. Somewhere in between. Okay. Yeah, feel free. Friends, if you understand, then is it? Now also it's not audible. Okay, okay. Is my voice is that low? Am I sure? Friends, let's see. 100% it is. My voice is 100% friends. Okay. Is it fine? Are you able to follow me? Friends, yes, no. Hello, shall we proceed further? Proceed. Okay, okay. So whenever I'm asking, shall we proceed, keep it yes or no, something, okay? This is very simple English, okay? Yes, no. One word also will do like this. Yes, no. Okay? Okay, friends, let's go. So if you are able to understand this, and this is a very good idea. Okay, let's see. VLOOKUP is this simple. So you can, extend the records like hundreds and 200s and thousands, like millions of records. You can do that. Okay, I'm just closing it off. Just saving. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Absolutely. So, okay, as for today's agenda, let's go with an PowerPoint presentation. So, PPTs. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's create something. Okay, it will be like, directly you'll be getting here Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let's say day 5 PPT. Okay, so friends, here one thing is very important is like when you are opening this, so Windows R will be run command will happen. Okay, PowerPoint, I think Power PNT is the shortcut. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, it's working. Okay, my memory is working, then fine. Yeah, if you go here, so why we need this? Like as we discussed in this sessions, entire scenarios, like while you are dealing with an MS Word, so that will be in a word processing, so where you will be like storing all the information and the documentation of your project. Mostly you will be maintaining on this Word document where you have the table of content and different headers and different formatting options and the cover page letter, what is all about the project is, all the what about the documentation is all about. We have seen multiple options in that. And if you can see here also, like you can see multiple options here also in a similar line. Okay, so there is nothing great like you have these options like the something is your bold, italic, the font styles and left, right, bullet points and everything. So almost like 70% of the tool will be same. So only the difference is the purpose of the document. When you need a PowerPoint presentation. See friends, whenever in a business scenario, you are a professional, so you want to present something to the stakeholders. The stakeholders are the something is the keyword I am using wantedly. So the persons who are like invested money in your project, okay, they want get something written in that, right? So if they invest 10 rupees as per in Indian currency, so definitely they want to earn at least 15 rupees out of it, so that the 5 rupees will be their profit margin. Any work will be done here will be the profit driven. Okay, so with that note, so those folks have no time, like they don't be interested in what you have written in the document. Like maybe the Word document maybe consists of around 40-50 pages of the document. Who is going to read that? Nobody. And let's say you have kept everything in a beautifully in Excel. So the Excel has, like let's say 100 and 150 requirements. Who is going to go through that 150 requirements? Nobody will do. So how you can consolidate entire input in a beautiful presentation? So what you want to highlight them? So that should be come out in the presentation. So this itself is a presentation. So when you are going for a birthday, for your friend's birthday or someone, so what you will do, you will take a gift, maybe 50 rupees or 100 rupees, but you will pack it well. So the presentation should be good, right? So I request the shop person to, sir, beautifully pack it so that I can give it to my friend. Even the presentation values, like whatever you are going to present, and that may be, very minimum value or like, very small gift, but when you present it well and it looks beautiful, right? In the similar thought and similar process will applicable to this presentation as well. Hope you have understood something. Let's make it even clear. Okay friends, when we are dealing with this Microsoft presentation, let's say I have taken a blank and okay, I will be inserting a text column. So this is, let's say, this is the, mostly I will be using the business jargons only, let's say, so that the status report. Okay. So let's see, this is the status reports and let's make it bigger so that, okay, that's okay, beautiful, underline, bold, okay, Let's make some beautiful colors as well. Okay, let's see. What is the status report? So let's say you want to insert one more. Okay, let's insert one more text box so that you will. Okay, let's see. This is the content you are going to present. Okay, what is the content? Let's say. So yeah, let's say here. Let's say this. Yeah. Current status. Current status. Okay, then you'll be like, this you want to present like the trends in a sales, like let's say you are a project manager for any sprint review or something. Like, give an example, like where we can take an example, like give something. Any sprint review is fine, like everybody understands Scrum. Friends, what do you understand here? Just give me yes, no, chat window. Hello. Yeah, please. Someone just write something. So, okay, let's see. Otherwise, okay, what do you want? Okay, let's see here. So let's say that, okay, business trends, how it's moving. Okay, let's say, and one more we want to discuss about that. So the cost of the project. Okay, cost of the project. These are really critical. Okay, let's see. We will understand this. Okay, this is the content we are going to display, and here you know that how to increase the space so that it will be looks beautiful. Okay, then let's say I will be inserting something very simple, and the next slide I'm going to take in this line. See the outline, you can take it from here as well. Let's say the current status. Okay, first thing I'm taking is a current status. Okay, let's make it beautiful. Okay, current status and board. Okay, this is fine. So I want something to be inserted here. Okay, let's say some pictures and something is like this. Okay, the current status. So let's understand. I will be just want to beautifully present something. Let's say the matrix and relations. Let's say the picture. We started with something and let's end it up with something. Okay. 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 Let's say I will be taking this. We started with Yazis. Yazis. The assessment. Okay. Then here we want to do the gap analysis. Okay, something. Okay, then we are going to present it like new process. These are, let's say, 3 stages. Okay, so where are we now? So let's imagine this. So this is the imagine document. Some icons. We will take some icons. So friends, whatever I'm showing here is very important. Okay, let's say I will be taking something like this. Insert. Okay, just to show you. And I will be like, yeah. Okay, yes. If you want to change the color. Okay, friends, I'm taking this. So this is gap analysis. So what is this? And I will going to explain it. Okay, sure. Have some patience. Yeah. Let's see how I want to change this image, and the icons I will be taking so that something is readily available. Okay, let's say some icons. I don't know what is icons. Like, yeah, I'm taking something. Also, what I am taking is here gap, right? So there should be some gap. Let's see what is the gap. We'll be assessing some gaps like this. Maybe this. Let's see. Then, okay, then as is. So let's take some icon for that as well. As is. So this is the as is. Let's see. The first one as is, like already recorded one. We are just checking. Okay. Okay, friends. So you can change this image format as well, right? You know that, okay, graphics format. So the format, graphics format, let's see how you want to change it. Yeah, friends, you always have an excitement. Yeah, you can do this and do this. Okay, let's new process. Yeah, let it be this, and you can resize this image as well with these sizes. Okay, so this is the beautiful sizing options available. Okay, let's see, and this is the gap. Okay, you want to do something about it, let's go back to it, just do something like this, maybe whichever is doing great. Yeah, let's say something like this. Okay, reduce the size, reduce it, and this is the gap. So what is the gap? You know something is already existing and you will be want to make this process as this bigger, but you have to identify where is the gap compared to this, the old one. How it is the new one will be better. That is a gap. So okay, so how do we do it? Let's say some short of this. Let's say as is something I have taken. Okay, yeah. So if you can color it out and you can fill something, yeah, some colors. Okay, let's see. Okay. So friends, here understand this. Where are we? So we are like, somewhere here. Then if you understand this, is going to make this as something. Okay, that's it. So suppose this is already there. Okay, and here and make this. We are in this status. Let's say this is the status right now. So if you can say something, verbally, and people don't understand. But what you want to do, just giving an indication. So this is one beautiful way of representing. You will be like a lot of creative thoughts as well. Okay, friends, here, just remember, I will be keeping something like this. Okay, just filling with something not that damn great, and let's say we'll be keeping this. Okay, so what you understand, friends, here, automatically if I give like this indication, and I also mention this. What is this? Control C, Control V. Here I will keep. Okay, this is very beautifully, simply designed. What you can do is like just insert something. Let's say that current status. Okay. Let's see this. Okay, let's reduce the size. Okay, yeah. See, friends. Okay, this is the current status. So how you have been this one? If you click on this, the current status and business report trends, and yeah. Can you see this difference? The same thing, if you can explain in a words, and it will be difficult. But if you click on this, and automatically people will understand, oh, this is in this status. Okay, let's see. And one more, you are writing something, what is that? Let's say the business trends, how it's going. Okay, let's understand this, how the business trends are going. Okay, let's understand something. Let's understand something from some chart. Okay. Okay, let's see how the business trends are going and everything. Let's go back. Okay. Let's take a blank chart only. The friends, here, what you will understand is like insert a chart. You can do that as well here. Like you can do a lot of things here. Okay, I will be taking something like this. Otherwise, I will take some combination chart so how the business is going. It's a combo. I will be taking this so that you will understand it. So just move this a bit so that I can see this. Okay. Yeah. So I don't have any genuine version now. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. So the data will be looks like, okay, what is this data? Let's say we will be taking some data here. So what is the category 1? Let's say that, okay, so how the trends are going. Let's say this is the data about, let's say developers, okay, developers. Okay. So sales, right? So we are discussing about the business trends, right? So this is the sales, how it's going. Okay, okay, sales is like, yeah, 2000, what is this, 2023. So it's like 2021, 2021. Okay, then it is 2022, and it's going to be 2023. Okay, how it's moving, let's say it's like 100 and it's become 150. Okay, so it's like it will become 350. It's increased. Okay, let's say that, okay, something is, the next level is like, imagine this is something let's say the business utilization. Okay, utilities. Okay, utilities will be like reducing. Let's say it is 30, then it will become 20, then it will become 60. Okay, so in a company, the utilization is just going like this, and you have something called profits as well. Okay, profits. Even it's increasing, the profits are just 40. Here the profits become even 20 because of COVID, and it's like increased. Let's imagine that's 85, 87. Okay, and the category 4, what we want to give is like, what else will be in the business. Okay, so how, people are like, recruitment. Okay, so that's like, resources, how they are growing. So they have earlier 40 resources, but in COVID time they have reduced to 20. Now they have 400 resources. Okay, hypothetical scenario. Let's close it off. Okay, friends, see, can you see this? If you see this chart, okay, so let's give it to them. Title is like, you have now this chart window. Let's give it a title. This is like business trends. Business trends. Okay, so if you want to have some notes, you can have it. Okay, so you will be like, you want to beautifully design it, you can do this, and there will be a lot of suggestions also available. Okay, you know that, right? How to looks beautiful and do this and everything, friends. So feel free to do it and everything. So this is how it will be looks like. Yeah, this is one kind of thing you can. And let's say, and the cost of the project. Okay, let's see. This is also a new one. Let's say I will take blank. This is the cost of the project. Okay, so this is the business trends. Okay, let's say this is the cost. Okay, let's insert something. No, this is the cost you want to represent. Friends, yeah, let's say the cost of the project. Okay? The project. Okay? How the cost went and everything. So simply want to display something very beautifully and simply. So just take any shape and we will be keeping like this. Okay? on top of it, like, I will be just typing something like cost. Okay, cost. Let's say this is something is similar with some rupees. So insert something number. So let's say this is 1000 INR. Something I am giving random. So this is the cost. Okay, how to beautify this? Let's make it bold, increase something, and something. Okay, still it is some kind of plain. Okay, so this is the cost you want to just show. Okay, something I am randomly I'm taking. So let's insert something, beautify this so that click on some icons. So what you want to like related to the cost. Okay, type like this. So if you can see this is something like it interesting. Let's bring that. Okay, friends, I will be bringing here. Okay, let's give it something. Yeah, change the graphic. You can change this graphic and let's see what is the design you can. Okay, so paisa. Okay, let's see. Something is good. It is money. Some design. Yeah, you can give anything, friends. I am just trying multiple options here. I don't know. Okay, you might be wondering what this guy is doing. Okay, I just trying to figure it out. Which one is looks better? I hope this is better. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so any further friends, if you look at this presentation, how it is? Simple. Okay, let's say click on the complete page. So this and this. Okay, this is a simple report. Okay, friends, as of now, are you able to follow any questions or anything? Friends, chart window is open. Yes, no. I told you. Yes, N, yes also will do. Are you able to follow? Friends, please respond. Okay, someone responded. Yes, thank you. Okay, so let's see how we can make it to the next level. So this is a presentation is good and you have done something, people are looks, okay, something is okay. But how would you make it even beautiful? Simple, friends. Let me introduce the concept of design, where you have very beautiful designs available already. Okay, you have to nothing to do with this. Simple. Go to something which is existing. Let's say it's this one. We can just click on the design, and if you select it, that's all. Then home, save it. Presentation 1. Yeah, perfectly all right. No, I have already given this name, buddy. How can you change it? So, okay, let me give it to the documents and desktop. So then desktop also have something. Okay, let's see. Somewhere I'm giving it. Okay, save. See, friends, now the same report, whatever you have done, it's turned into very beautiful. Nothing great. Just you applied the design. Okay. Friends, good, great, no, yes. Please. So feel free because this is something very basic. You can make it to the next level. I've done nothing great. Right? Friends, are you able to follow me? So that I will, if you want me to, go slow, I will go. If you want to change the formats, you can do that as well. See, I'm just trying multiple options. And you can go this as well. Automatically it will change. And some it will go well and some won't go well. So I'm just showing you. Let's say something else you can try. This is the business one. It looks great. Very nice, simple, it's cool, super cool. Okay, friends, if you understand something, yeah, say yes, no. Okay, this is the one basic presentations how you can make it. Okay, so the next level presentation is like I have done nothing great now. So let's see how would you make it even better. So let's see this. Let's understand this could be there. You can keep it here. There. No, let's see. This is beautiful. Okay, then this is that line I want to highlight here. Okay, so this is where it should be looks like. Yeah. Okay, so then see now. What I want to do is like I will be applying some animations. Okay, understand this. Animations are nothing but you will be like how the effect should be, like how the flying. Yes, it comes like this. So something you will be trying. Let's see. This is something I will be like I will just give this as somewhere. This is wheel. I will give this like wheel. Okay, and something I will give like this. Something I will give swivel. Okay, yeah, it will just rotate like that. And I will give some expectations like emphasis on something. What is this like flying already done. So let's say shape effect. Okay, something it's like this. So now go back to the this one, friends. So you will understand. Okay, status report is coming out, and if you click on the mouse, again the current status, then business trends, then cost of the project. We are going to discuss in this presentation. Then what is the current status? If you can look at the legend, and the current status is new process. Okay, then the business trends are moved like this. The cost is this much. Okay, understood, friends? This is the storyline you build up, and similarly you can give for this as well, like how it should appear. Let's say that's the emphasis, how it's going to be. The simple one is spin. See, it's just rotated like that and come. So if you want to give this also something, okay, animations, let's say this will be like what effect you will give, and it's like, let's say the transparent, okay, something, okay, and let's say you want to add grow and shrink, yes, okay, let's see, that's cool. And we want to give this some effect, maybe money want to fly in, and just it will be like object color implement, let's see. Okay, yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, see friends, some effects we have given now. Yeah, let's see, understand this. Status report, and there will be how it's blinking. Okay, if you click on this, cost of the project comes in, then this is the new status. Okay, some effect came, and you can apply each and everything. See, if you click, see how it's bigger and it's become this. See, this is how it works. Okay, friends, good, understood, friends. PPT making is one of the most desirable skill. Okay, if you ask me, there are nevertheless options for your creativity, and you can work on multiple things with the, using this. I would request you to all, okay, thank you, Vasu. And friends, what about others like Sino? Have you understand this? Like, would you want me to repeat any one of them or concepts like animations we have seen? Tomorrow we are going to see the transitions and the design part of it. So yeah, feel free. This is all basic. Okay, thank you. Okay, good enough. Are you practicing? Going to practice? I hope so. Yeah, in this, like, yeah, if you ask me, you can create multiple things, friends, here. So we will be creating multiple objects and multiple lines, and the beautiful templates are available. So go and practice. So this will be like your basic way of presenting things. So then you will become like, slideshow. It's like if you, from the beginning, if you click on this, so this is the best option is available. Like you can, this is the slideshow whenever you are presenting something on the top line, and it will be like looks great. So then this is the last slide. We feel like if you click on enter, automatically it will come. So this will be always, it should be a thank you slide, right? This is a thank you slide. So thank you. If you keep it this simple, and people, simple one is better always, okay? But always make sure that something is beautifully crafted. So this is something, that's it. And change something to some style which is something elegant. So okay, thank you. And let's increase the size, friends. Oh, so much. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that's something you feel, some color might be. Yeah, oh, beautiful. So you will feel that wow. Okay. So if you have the creativity and it's like always, I told you. So there is no end to your creativity. You can insert some images also here and the pics and everything. So that is also you can do. Let's see how we're going to insert a picture. So that first let's say download something. Thank you. Slide images. Okay, something is coming up. Okay, some thank you is coming up. Okay, friends, let's say this is the image you are going to keep it. So let's say how you can do it. This very simple is this one you like it, something you like it this. Okay, if you click on this, okay, click save the image as download, it's coming. Okay, thank you image. Image, okay, so it's in PNG format, that's okay, no problem. Go there, insert. Okay, this is the slide I'm talking about. Yeah, you can just insert one more slide here, insert. Can see these pictures, from this device. We already downloaded it, so it will be appear on this downloads. Thank you image. Inserting that. See friends, how beautifully it's done. Nothing great, just I will be adjusting to it. And if I say this, it's like just I want to fit as this. Okay, so this should not be look something like I copied from somewhere. So that I will be like adjusting this. Can you see this, friends? If you feel that okay, something color you want to be change it, okay, something looks beautiful, then we can color it this way. Okay, yeah, let's see now how it's fitting. Let's go back. Let's see how now our. So let's start with this. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Can you see this, friends? So this is how you will make a beautiful presentation. So yeah. So how much time we have taken? Just 1 hour according. So I think yeah, we look up. We have seen and post that this is the presentation we have seen today. Okay, friends. With this note, I'll be signing off for today. So I would request you to just go through the PowerPoint presentation and understand. Tomorrow I'm going to introduce 2 more concepts in this PowerPoint presentation. So that's how you can make beautiful presentations and how would you understand something. What are different options are available in a PowerPoint presentation. So we will look into that. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to explain you. Design you have seen now. Okay. If you go to even MS Word also, now the design will be similar. Like already the existing templates are available and it will change the design of the look and feel. So if you go there, so tomorrow we are going to see this. What is the drawing and how it's going to help you. Okay, then tomorrow we are going to see the transitions, like how the transitions are happening. And anyhow, these options like record and review. And something is like in a video recording here. You can do this and post it on the YouTube or somewhere. Okay, this is also a different options altogether. And the screenshots also I'm going to explain. This is very important concept. And yeah, tomorrow spell check we are going to check. And yeah, immersive readers as well, check accessibility, and that we will be looking into the Google Drive and the Outlook. You will be slider. You have seen this, like how the slide master. I am going to take you tomorrow. Like tomorrow, I will explain you how the slide master works and everything. And yeah, as usual, that help, and if you click on the help, and automatically it will take you to the MS Office and Microsoft. So here it's not connecting, and yeah, it will help you out understand the things better. So this I am not going to like save as and how to open and everything because you are already aware of this. And Control C, Control V I am not going to explain here because whatever we have learned across like MS Word, that all holds true for this MS PowerPoint as well, and it holds true for Microsoft Excel as well. Okay, so the only thing is you have to familiarize yourself with the features available there and create according to your requirement. Suppose your requirement is insert an image and you want to make some notes, then you should understand that okay, how would I keep a image and on top of it how would I insert a notes. Okay, go there and insert a text box. Let's say that okay, insert a text box and start writing the notes. Okay, like this, something you want to, so that people will understand it. Oh, this is related to this and this is related to this and this is related to this, like that. Okay, friends, if you are good, if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise we can I can sign off for the day. Friends, it's good to go. Okay, yeah. So anyone have any questions, friends, for me? Good. Okay, understood. Good. Yeah, like if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise we can wind up the session. I hope all good. Shall I assume is all good? Everyone understood whatever the concepts? Please, friends, practice it again. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Sina, for confirming. So please, practice is the key. Okay, friends. If you might think that okay, whatever this person is inserting and it looks very beautiful and he is designing like this. See, it will comes with a practice, and this is very basic whatever I am teaching. Okay. There is no limitation to your creativity. I'm not that expert in creating the PPTs as well. So you can, if I can do it, you can do it. That's the basic. So you should only think is, I want here to create the awareness so that in future, whenever you are on the real-time project, that time you don't have time to, learn something and do it. So people just ask you, okay, why don't you create a presentation and give it to the night by end of the day? That's all. Only time you have that much. 8 hours, maybe 4 hours. Trust me, friends, creating a slide, a simple slide will take minimum 3 to 4 hours based on your creativity. Okay. In that case, first you need to find out the content, and it will take some time, and alignment the thought and present it in a presentable format. So it's all consume your time. So that time you cannot find out some mentor or online, presenter who is going to help you with this, and you will understand and you will learn this and you will implement it. No, then you are already lost the game. So nobody going to give that time. So wherever the time is available now, make use of it and practice something, at least even basics. I'm not asking you to master everything, because master and expertise will comes with an experience. So yeah, even every expert is a beginner one day. So please, friends, and do practice and help your friends as well, so that you can learn better and you will get to know different thought process. So that's how you will learn and grow. Okay, with that note, I'm taking sign off. Okay, wish you all very good luck and success in your coming projects and everything. Okay, friends. Yeah, I'm stopping my screen share. I'm signing off for the day. If you have any questions, yeah, please feel free. Otherwise, I will just closing off this meeting. Okay, I hope there are no questions from your end. Okay, so I am signing off for the day. See you tomorrow at the same time, 8:30 p.m. If any schedule delay, I will intimate you through Naresh. Thank you, Naresh, and thank you everyone. Signing off.